everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome. So guys, if you are new here, my name is Grace and welcome to Affordable Lux TV. This is a channel where I talk about handbags, fashion that are really affordable with good quality. So if you are interested in knowing more about my channel or interested in this video, just keep watching. So to my OGs, thank you all so much for clicking. So and also for supporting this channel always. God bless you all. Okay, so guys, without wasting time, I went to Macy's online. I was just scrolling around. Macy always have good sales, summer sales, and I got me some Coach handbag, okay, from Macy's. I've been eyeing this Coach handbag since it came out, but I was just waiting to get it on a good discount. My channel is all about affordable and good quality luxury handbags. Okay, so guys, I got two handbags from Macy's. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing the unboxing here with you guys. So this is a true unboxing. I've not seen it and we're gonna unbox it here. Okay, so let's go. So my scissors is here. Just gonna unbox it and let's see what we have in there. The shipping was really fast. I think within 2 or 3 days it came in the mail. So yeah, and with Macy's you always gather points as you shop, so you can use your points. After you get up, I think about 1,000 points, you get like $10 off. Okay, all right, so let's go now, guys. Okay guys, these are the items. I think Macy's just dump it in the box, put a nylon bag over it and just sent it. Okay, so this is what it looks like in there. So there was no wrapping or covering or of any sort. So I'm just gonna look at it very well to make sure there's no damages, otherwise it will be going back to Macy's. Okay, all right, so guys, let's do the first unboxing. So this is the one, and this one is called the Hero bag. Okay, so this is the Hero crossbody and this is the color truffle black. Okay, yeah, so the product number for this one is 19503148706. Okay, so this is the Hero crossbody in truffle black. Okay, so this one has been out for a while now. Okay, but I just was waiting for it to go on sale. I really like the top handle, one with the top handle. Okay, so here's a picture of that one with the top handle, but it was completely sold out. All right, so this is what it looks like. So beautiful. I was thinking of maybe I should get like a gold. This is like a brass gold hardware. If I can find a chain so I can use it at the top handle as well, that would be great. Okay, so it opens up like so with that beautiful brown inside. Okay, so I'll put the description and of the bag right here on the screen for you to see. It comes with a little Coach dust bag. This is so pretty, but will this fit this bag? It looks like a small dust bag. So let's see. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it will fit. Yeah, so this is the one I got, and this one I got for a little over 200. Okay, so original price of this was $550, so I got over I think 40% off. All right, so one compartment here, another compartment here, and a little slip pocket in there. Okay, so and the shoulder straps are adjustable as well. So this is the Coach Hero cross body bag. Yeah, this is so pretty and looks so small. Yeah. Okay, so guys, let's go do the other bag. Okay guys, so the next one is the Madison pillow bag. Okay, so this is called the Quilted Pillow Madison Crossbody. Okay, all right, this is what it looks like. And I've seen YouTube reviews that this compared to the Chanel Classic flap bag. Okay, so this one still comes with all of the packaging. All right, so to open it, you have that beautiful CC with the turn lock in there, and the color is light coral. So it comes in a variety of color, black, blue, and so on. Okay, but I prefer to get it in this color since I don't have anything in this light coral, so I decided to get it. So let's take all the stuffings out. This is a double flap, just like the Chanel Classic. Okay, I'll be doing a review with the Chanel Classic as well. All right, so this is a great alternative to the Chanel Classic bag. The Chanel Classic bag now is about $8,000 to $10,000. So if you are eyeing this, if you have been eyeing the Chanel and you don't have that kind of money to spend on a bag, you can get this from Coach. Okay, so it has a suede, like a suede microfiber lining. The Coach creed is down there and one zipper compartment. And this is so pretty. Oh, I love this color. Yeah, there's a Coach tab here. So soft. Just like a pillow, you know. Yeah, and let me take off the chain strap. Okay guys, so you can either wear it with the chain doubled up. You can double up the chain like this and wear it on your shoulder, or you can let it go and wear it as a crossbody as well. But yeah, so this is what it looks like all done. So I really love this though. This is really cute. Okay, all right. So the Madison also comes with a silk dust bag. I almost keep this part out. So okay, so that will help you to store your bag. Guys, if you've watched up to this time, thank you for unboxing this with me. I will leave all the description down below. If you are interested, the sale is still going on at Macy's.com. So, you know, hurry up so that you don't miss out. Okay, I will see you all in my next one. Thank you for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like. If you haven't subscribed, please do so that you don't miss out anytime I'm doing an unboxing or a bag review. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.